Guys, I found the waterfall. It's right here. See? Morning, guys. Oh yeah, I did not have a shower yet, and this morning we are going to the Phnom Kulen. Yeah, but I'm still like yeah, powerless since last night. Oh, see you guys. Okay. Hey guys. Yep, I'm done. I had my shower and yeah, new clothes. So I'll be going to the Kulen mountain with my family, and there will be a waterfall over there and stuff to buy. Okay, let's see. We stopped by around Buddhist temple to buy ice, and yeah, also find food for lunch. Okay. Right now we are stuck on the road up to the mountain, and the car, yep, like this and that. So we haven't moved for like 30 minutes until now. Damn. Okay. Finally, after 2 hours of traffic jam, we arrived at the top of Phnom Kulen right now, and we are walking toward some like caves to sit and eat lunch. Okay. Afternoon, guys. It's 3:30. Yep, and we are walking to the top of the mountain. Not walking, climbing. Yeah, hiking, climbing, whatever. On top of the mountain to see a big Buddha statue. Yeah, there is a big Buddha statue on top of the mountain. Let's go. Hey guys, check what I found. Kulen Medical Plants Garden, សួនរុក្ខជាតិឱសថភ្នំគូលែន. Let's go. Yup, medical plant. So this is called plumbago, Zelanica L. plumbaginaceae. Damn. Sounds like something I don't know. Okay. We're here. Let's find the Buddha. It's hot and I'm tired right now. Yeah. Woo. We decided that we will walk right back to the statues of Buddha after we went to the waterfall. So right now we are walking straight to the waterfall, and it is about 400 meters more. Yep, so let's go and see some waterfall. We're going down, 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 down. I found the waterfall. It's right here. See? It's really beautiful. It is my very first time visiting Phnom Kulen, and then find out about this waterfall. That is my very first time. A great achievement for me. Okay. And next to the waterfall, we can find a temple. Yep, they are all broken down. Sad. Look at all those trash laying on the ground. I don't think these people have any ideas what it takes to clean all this mess. They just made stupid people.
Would you forgive me? Would you forgive me? Would you forgive me, love? Would you forgive me?
Okay. The trees around these areas are high. Yeah. But they're not that big, but they're high. Damn! We're here! We're here! We're on top of the mountain. Woo! I'm so tired. We need to take our shoes off to walk up here. And the Buddha statue is inside. Yep, that. And yep, shoes off, guys. Shoes off. So finally I'm here. Yep, this is the Buddha statue. He is very big and he is laying. So you can pray if you are a Buddhist. You can pray for happiness or anything. Okay?
Would you forgive me? Would you forgive me?
Okay. Tonight is my last night, so I'm going all out. Yep, I'll be so serious about it. I kill anyone on the street with my water gun. Bang bang bang!
All this time, tell me, can't you feel my feelings for you have always been real? Now after all this time, tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you? Tell me, can't you?
Today is very tough. Everyone got a powerful water gun and yeah, it hurts so bad. Đầm bay ban tức sốc chất trâu bằng cuốn này. Sau khi thì đào sau khi pro
My feelings for you have always been real.
Okay.
This is it for the second day of Khmer New Year, and for the third day I will film it the next morning, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? So today is any day!